Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be looking at this issue as you can see on screen where your LG TV is zoomed in. Alright, so if you're facing this problem, this is a very common issue and this involves the LG TV as it relates to the screen being zoomed in. Of course, this makes it impossible to use your TV. This is my remote. Check this out guys. If we go ahead and move, you'll find that it's still huge. And of course, it makes navigation next to impossible. As you're seeing these gigantic icons on screen. And as you're seeing here, you can't actually use the TV efficiently as you would want to. That includes for watching TV or finding anything. All right, so first of all, note that this is just a settings and it can be fixed. And I'm going to show you right now what to do. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is get your remote with this problem. And you want to go ahead and you're going to press and you're going to hold home. Doesn't matter where you are, press and hold this button here, which is the home button that looks like a house. So check it out. Press and hold home. And there you can see, you're going to increase the magnification. So as you can see here, go ahead and adjust. And you're going to fill out that space as seen there. Use the navigation arrows to fill out the space. So you can use up and down, I should say. So as you see, when I go up, it gets less. And when I go down, it gets more. So go down and fill out this space as it relates to the screen. All right. So as you can see there, we're going to find the right percentage. All right. So it says 110. We're going to hit the center button. And again, you can see here, the TV looks normal at this magnification. All right, so very good. So what you want to do from here, guys, is hit settings. I'm going to make sure that the magnification is off. Go to all settings. And this looks way more like it would normally look. You're going to go to general. You're going to go down. Go to accessibility. And here it says screen zoomed. All right, so as you can see here, what you want to do is turn this feature off. The TV looks okay now, but it's still slightly off, meaning it's a little bit magnified. So we're going to turn this off. And there you go. Notice now the screen is perfect and it's crisp and you can now see. So this is perfect now. As you can see, it's 100% and everything is in perfect proportions. It was helpful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.